My name is Vishal Hegde. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and hip and knee replacement specialist in the Department of Orthopedic Surgery at Johns Hopkins Medicine. I perform minimally invasive anterior hip replacements and employ state-of-the-art technologies such as computer navigation and robotics during surgery. My research interests include continuing to develop new techniques and technologies to improve patient outcomes after total joint replacement. I chose hip and knee replacement because it enables me to have an impact on a patient's quality of life. When a patient comes into my office with difficulty walking due to hip or knee pain, I can help them return to the activities that bring them joy. My philosophy on patient care is simple. I treat every patient as if they were a member of my own family. I believe every patient has a unique set of goals, and it's my role to spend the time to listen to and understand your perspective so that together we can achieve your goals. At the end of the day, what's most important to me is that my patients receive the best care possible. I would be privileged to take care of you and your family.